Hi, I'm Kamini Patel and I'm on Hawaiian Vegetarian today. Today's recipe is going to be a Hawaiian pizza quesadilla, which is ideal for lunch or an early dinner. So I'm going to start by warming my tortillas. So I'm going to just lightly warm it so that when I place the cheese, it starts to melt already. Just a few minutes on both sides. I think it's done. So I'm going to start by grating some cheese. So I'm going to add some pizza sauce. I'm only going to apply it on half a side because I want to fold it. I'm going to add some peppers, both green and red, some black olives, sliced onions. For the spice, some jalapenos. And now, to make this Hawaiian, I'm going to add some pineapple slices, some paneer, and final touch, some fresh basil. And now, you just fold it over, press it down. So now I'm going to oil my pan, a little bit of olive oil or regular oil. Just gently place it. So now we're ready with our Hawaiian pizza quesadillas. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, and subscribe to Hawaiian Vegetarian.